Hey everybody, it's Chris at Arbutus RV. I've got fresh trade-in. This is 2018 Montana, high country. Floor plan on this is called the 305 RL. Very comparable to our 303 in the Grand Design. However, this has got a bedroom slide out. Very, very slick. Let's have a look. So pretty good value here for the price. Montana is very well known, obviously, in the RV industry. This is one of their top dogs from Keystone. High country is a bit of a step down from the regular Montana, but heck, not by a lot. Weight on this guy is sitting at 14,300 pounds. That is your gross weight. So you're probably 12.5 to 13,000 pounds overall, unloaded. So one thing that surprises me with the high country is that it's got frameless windows. Usually when you go to the sub brands, they'll cheap out on the windows and do a few other things to make them a little more cost effective. This has 4-point electronic leveling on it. It is automatic. Rear backup camera prep, barreled roof. You've got a ladder to get up there as well too. 3 decent sized slide outs on here. And again, considering the size of the unit, that's not bad at all as well. Pretty good sized awning here. Good size pass through. Twin 30-pound propane tanks. And we're just gonna head on in here and I'm gonna get rid of some of that noise. So inside, you have an expanding dinette and chairs, power recliner with cup holders, pull-out couch over here. Now, one thing, so again, this is a 2018. Look at the condition of the furniture in here. So previous owner did a really good job looking after it. Electric fireplace down low, TV, a little bit overhead storage. Dometics dual mode fridge, that's a luxury edition, so quite a bit larger. 3-burner stove top with the larger oven, high point microwave. Good sized coffee bar here as well too. Little pantry in beside. Now, sorry, I've got my staging kit sitting here. However, 60-40 split sink. It is stainless as well too. Residential style faucet with a spray function on it. LED lighting throughout. I don't love that style of door, but you know what? They work in a pinch because they don't take up a ton of space. Nice vanity, extra storage there. Some more storage for your toiletry around the corner. Porcelain toilet down low. And here's the other kicker too. So this is a one-piece fiberglass shower enclosure. Like, not bad. And then heading into the bedroom, you have your queen bed on the slide out. This looks like it could easily be expanded into a king if that's your preference. Some people prefer this because it's easier to make the bed this way. I see a USB charge port over there. I see power plugs over there so you can get charging done. Really nice sized closet here. Upper shelf as well. And then another closet here, which looks like, yep, washer dryer prep in there. So you can put separates in, no problem at all. Little dresser up front, TV at the foot of the bed, raised a bit so you can see it. But that's kind of got it. So again, this is a great trailer for traveling in. This is a great trailer for looking at extended stay. It's not going to kill you for overall size. I think it's about 34.5 feet to 35 overall. That's it. So if you're in the market, you've been thinking about something like this, give me a buzz. Phone number is going to be at the end. Thanks for watching.